Greetings and welcome to today's presentation. Today's topic is, should the Jamaican tourism industry develop a national beach policy for its all-inclusive hotels? Now, certainly, our beaches in Jamaica are number one assets, and we ought to treat them in that way. In the same way like Kuwait or Qatar or one of those big Eastern countries will treat their oil fields. Our beaches are our oil. Let's treat them well. Greetings. Welcome to part 5 of my series titled The Pastor Edwards US $25 billion Ecotourism Program, attracting an extra 10 million visitors to Jamaica each year, employing 300,000 Jamaicans, earning an extra US $10 billion each year for the country's GDP. Today's subjects are: 1. Jamaica needs a national beach policy. 2. The government should map out all the vacant public beach land in Jamaica. And 3, there should be a limit on how much beach land a hotel should have. And 4, there should be a limit on how much all-inclusive hotel rooms are allowed in each parish. Now, my wife and I had a 2 weeks vacation at the Rio Hotel in Montego Bay in 2012, in celebration of our 25th wedding anniversary back then. I think there were only one Rio Hotel in Montego Bay at that time. The hotel had about 400 meters or quarter mile of beachfront space. I could jog on the beach as it was about a quarter mile wide. I jogged up and down a few times, got a good workout. Between the front of the hotel and the sea was about 100 meters. Hence, the entire property was about 400 meters wide by 100 meters in depth. At least that's how I can remember it, though it was over 10 years ago. Though I had a great time at the Rio Hotel in Montego Bay, especially on the beach, however, I think that Jamaica needs a national beach policy so that the government can strategize for the developments in the tourism industry. It's quite shameful to know that Jamaica does not have a national beach strategy, though tourism is now the country's largest industry. The government should also map out all beach land in Jamaica to identify all the vacant public beach lands in the country. The government should do this to prevent any hoteliers capturing any government land or someone capturing the public land and selling it off to hoteliers. I'm not referring to people who have lived on public beach land for generations. The government should give or sell the land to those people who have lived on it for generations. We could do it through LAMP program or similar programs that the government have in place in Jamaica, etc. The government of Jamaica need to stop allowing 400 meters or quarter mile width of beach land to one hotel. Jamaica should do something like only allowing 100 meters of beach land to a 1,000 rooms resort, or 200 meters of beach land to a 2,000 rooms resort. This way, the country can preserve more beach land for public beaches and for future hoteliers. The 400 meters that the hotels may need should be from the road to the sea. not along the beach. This way, we will preserve more of our prime beach lands for public beaches. The government may need to reroute some roads to accommodate the above, as some roads are only 100 meters from the sea, etc. Some roads may need to be rerouted 400 meters or quarter mile from the sea, where there are all-inclusive hotels development. Where a beach is naturally quarter mile to half mile wide, then the government would need to use the same method above and package the franchises for 4 to 6 separate all-inclusive hotels next to each other, instead of selling off all that quarter mile or half mile beach land to just one hotelier who is building a 1,000 or 2,000 rooms resort. Nothing is wrong with putting one all-inclusive hotel next to the other. When I am on holiday in Spain or Portugal or even in Florida, etc., I've seen 1 mile of hotels on many beaches stock one against each other, sometimes attached to each other, as one would see supermarkets next to each other on a high street. Not saying that Jamaica should go to that extent. No needs for hotels to join one another in Jamaica, except for smaller hotels in Montego Bay, CTR, etc. Hence, instead of having some all-inclusive hotels 400 meters wide along the beach and 100 meters in depth from the beach to the sea, change this model to have the hotels 100 meters wide along the beach and 200 to 400 meters in depth from the road to the sea, depending on the size of the resort, etc. As of 2020, some studies show that Jamaica had about 30,000 hotel rooms. According to the Minister of Tourism, there's another 20,000 hotel rooms in the pipeline that will bring the total to about 50,000 hotel rooms. These all-inclusive franchises that the government is handing out to hoteliers need to be strategically placed around Jamaica. Too much all-inclusive hotels in one area will kill off the local hotel market. Some hotels' capacity should be left in each parish so that local hoteliers and Airbnb operators can get a slice of a tourism dollar. While on the other hand, if there are no all-inclusive hotels in an area or a parish, visitors may not know about the area or a bit reluctant to go and visit that area because there's no tourism there. I think the government should now pause putting too much hotels in one parish and ensure that every parish gets a minimum of 6,000 hotel rooms where needed. This is to promote ecotourism and to ensure that people can get jobs where they live. I think that the country has the capacity to accommodate 100,000 extra hotel rooms. I believe that the government should rapidly increase tourism in Jamaica. I just don't think that any one parish should be allowed to have over 8,000 all-inclusive hotel rooms, at least not until every other parish has a minimum of 4,000 hotel rooms. Now, this is part 5 of my current theme. Look out for part 6. Thanks for watching this video. To support this channel, please click on the subscribe button, share this video, and leave your comments below. God bless you. God bless the Jamaican Parliament, and God bless Jamaica. Until my next video, peace.